Hey y'all, so we're back to part 2 of our mystery unbagging of jewelry bag from a thrift store. Thrift store haul unbagging type thing. Alright y'all, so I'm just gonna keep going where I was at. Let's see here. I'm just trying to pull stuff out of this. Oh, this looks interesting. Oh, you know what? See, something like this is fun because I can use this in a journal because I do art journaling and stuff. I'm a mixed media artist. I'm a jewelry artist in case you're coming across this page for the first time. And I use all kinds of stuff in my art and my jewelry making, all right? So something like this is cool, on a journal, all right? Excuse my voice. Let's see what, oh, these are cute. No, I mean, I wouldn't wear them, but they're cute. I'd probably remake those, I have to see if this, I pulled this spoon out the last time. I have to take a look and see what this, see this spoon? I showed it before, but yeah, I'm gonna have to see what that's about. Okay, so I put it aside. I have a little a pile that's aside here. Oh my god, this is all tangled, y'all. Oh, and got something on it. I love brooches. When I tell you I love a brooch, oh, I love a brooch because guess what? Something like this. Okay, can you see that? Let me see. Let's look at it first. All right, something like this, I can cut the back of that off, y'all, and make that a ring. Okay, not that you would wear anything that tacky, but you know what I mean? Or I can put it on a project, whatever. So that's the key. All right, just saying. All right, and I may put together some bags, and like in my one of my shops. So I'll let you know which one because I have Etsy and I have Mercari. So we'll see. All right, these are interesting. Okay, kind of pretty. All right, let me turn my camera here a little bit. All right, yeah, let's keep these. Okay, let's see here. These are no, but I'll put in the pile to not keep. Cute, right? It's cute. Let's see here. Oh, this is like a little religious thing, religious cross. Oh, this is cute. It's a hair accessory, very cute. All right, let's go through that. This says it's a like a neck strap or some sort. Neck strap. I don't know what that is, but I'll put it aside. You never know. All right, let's see. Oh, these are fun. Oh, look at the little butterflies. Oh, I would definitely keep these and put these. Hold on, I'm trying to straighten it out on a project. Right? Let me see here, y'all. I'm sorry, it's all messed up. I'm trying to fix it. I already messed up my nails, so it's all good though. Okay, so look at that. That's cute, huh? Those are cute. I like those. Wouldn't wear them, but I definitely use them in the project. Oh, these are cute. These are fun. What is this? Huh? These are cute. Those are fun. Different. Kind of different. Let me see here. Oh, these are nice. Wouldn't wear them, but they're really nice. Alright. I'll put in this giveaway pile. Not giveaway, but made to sell or whatever. Oh, this looks beautiful. Wait, something else is in here. Uh-oh. Something failed, y'all. This little thing with this little... Where is it here? Hold on a second. I can't get... Like that little thing there. Well, got something on it or whatever, but that's what that was, okay? What is that? It's like a little... I don't know what that is. Some kind of little charm. Alright, let's see. I had some of these back in the day, I think. These little earrings here. Alright, so... Oh, but I was looking at this. It's a comb, a hair comb. That is beautiful. Look at that. That's so pretty. Right? So pretty. Huh. I may put it back together and put it up in my shop, y'all, and somebody can get that. This is really nice. Is this open? No, it's not. It doesn't. It looks like it's broken, though. So, yeah. It's pretty, though. Huh. Let's see. It's kind of pretty. Right? Okay. Let's see here. This is just a rubber thing here. I don't know what that is, but... Yeah, there's that. More little fun earrings. Okay, that's cute. Wouldn't wear, but I'll keep it because I can always use it for something. Well, these are fun. Ooh, like peacock earrings. Oh, Forever 21. I like them. I don't know if I'd wear them. I put them in a keep pile. All right, let's see here. So, you know, I'm not going to get to this. This might be this maybe it's part 3 and 4 to this, okay? I'll put the parts now down in the description. Look at that. That's cute. That's fun. Oh, cute. Those are cute. I'm sure somebody will like those. Okay, we got more watches in here, but this one's broken. What is this one? Oh, I don't know what that is, y'all. See, look at that. So I'm not sure. It's a throwaway pile. Some of this stuff, if it's broken and faded, I'm not, you know, selling it or using it or anything like that. You know what I mean? I'm not sure what this is. I forgot what they call these little things. It's got 2 little clips on them. I don't know. This is a tangled necklace, I think. I think this is, yeah, it looks like a necklace. Oh, it's kind of short. It's missing something there. So, no. Oh, let's see. What is this? Oh, God. Oh, this is like, girl, this is all tangled in here. Hold on. This is like a little bracelet. That looks fun. Okay, for the 4th of July. Looks like I'm dropping stuff here. There's a part of those other earrings. All right, and then this is some sort of bracelet. Okay. Another pair of those fun little earrings. All right. Yet another pair of those earrings. Got some of those. I don't know what this is. I gotta pull it out. Ooh. It's like a lot in here. Oh, like the black butterflies. Those are cute. Those are cute. Okay. You put it in the pile. You know. Not keeping. This is interesting. I don't know what that is. And so this one is like, that's a no. Put that in a pile there. Let me see here. This is cute. What does this say? I have to look at this. This is like a little bracelet, you know? I might give that to my son. He might like that. Well, I don't know. I don't know about this charm on it, though. We'll see. I'd have to take that charm off if I'm going to give it to him. He don't like nothing girly. Here's some more of these earrings. Got tons of these in here. I guess. Look more. Okay. Even more. Even more. Even more. Even more. Even more. Let me see. Those are cute. I'm going to keep those. I don't know if I'd wear them, but I can use them for something. Even more. Yet another pair of, you know. Let me see. I'm getting down to the wire here, so maybe I can do this one in part 3. Finish out the rest in part 3. We'll see. All right. Those are pretty, though. I'm going to keep those. Yeah, I got another pair of those. What is this thing here? Is this like Christmas? Is it? I don't even know. Hold on. I'm trying to look at it. I don't know what this is, y'all. Some little bracelet with a little dangles on it. Okay. So put that in the not keep pile. Oh, these are fun. These are pretty. Very, you know, elegant. Let me see here. This is like a little necklace. Okay. Got that one. Let me see here. Yet another pair of these earrings. Got like 10 pairs in there. Okay. So this is definitely going up in one of my shops, y'all. Oh, these are pretty. Now these are pretty. Let's see. Alright, this is definitely stuff that's going to go. I'm going to put a bag together and put it in my shop. One of my shops. Either Etsy or Mercari, I'm not sure. These are really pretty. Wow. I don't know if I'd wear these, though. I don't know. I'll think about it. Okay? I'll think about it. We're running out of time here. Alright, let's see here. What else I got in here? Oh, look at this one. Interesting type of bracelet, I guess. It looks like I'm giving more stuff away than I'm keeping. So, yeah. Alright, let's go to part 3 in the next one. Alright? Alright.